Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share subscription boxes and shopping hauls and all kinds of fun stuff. So go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like. I love the support and I love doing what I do. So I also love opening all these fun surprises that I show on here. First of all, today I am going to I just ran and got the mail and I got my Ipsy Glam Bag. Ipsy Glam Bag. And I just put up my icon box. So I already got that this month. This is such a cute bag. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. The green and the pink, and this green tassel is just everything, right? And it's green inside. There's a sneak peek. I don't know if we can see much in there, but I am going to get started. The first thing I'm pulling out, and I'm hoping it's not broken. Please, please, please cross our fingers, because this is something that I had ordered in the sale shop, and it came to me broken, and they said they would just refund my money, because I don't think, maybe they were saving them for glam bags or whatever, but they said they didn't have any more. But this is the Lottie London. It's the mauves, and it's not broken. Yay. My other one was pretty shattered. Let's take a look at the inside. I always like to get eyeshadows. Not necessarily ones or twos, but 4 is good, because 4 you can create a really good look with. And they're good for traveling. So, beautiful colors. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's try them. Okay. Wait, that one didn't. They're kind of a cross between, well, they're definitely mauve-y. I don't know if you can see those 4 colors. Is it this one that? Anyway, so I will use that. All right, the next thing we're pulling out here is from, let's see, this is Give Them La La Beauty. And that Lottie London, by the way, is the eyeshadow. It's not a full size. I would have thought it was a full size, but it's not. It says it's a deluxe mini. It does not give a value on it. Anyway. The second item we have here is, this is Give Them La La Beauty. I'm starting to see more and more of this product or this brand. I'm not sure I'm gonna open this, because I have a lot of, it's an eyebrow gel, a brow gel in clear, and I have a lot of them right now. I do love this kind of product though. This is a full size. And I do like brow gels. So anyway, this may go in a giveaway. It may go in my makeup. So I don't know yet. So that is that. Okay, the next item I'm pulling out is, looks like an eyeliner maybe? An eyeliner or eyebrow. This is from AMNH Skincare. It's a lip liner in Nude Rose. So I was wrong. It's a lip liner. You haven't heard of this? It's Amina. It says Amina here. And this is a full-size product. So I got 2 full-size products already. And I like that when you get a full-size product. Now I'm gonna try this. Ooh. That is a good one. This is right along my lines. Would go good with what I have on today. Okay, not mad at it, not mad at it. Okay, and then let's see what we have next. I see something exciting. I might save that for last. Oh, this is exciting too. This is a great brand. This is Grown Alchemist, and it is an anti-pollution primer. And it's just a deluxe size. Anything from Grown Alchemist is a good product though. So it's sealed. This is another one I'm not sure I'm going to keep. It's a great product. And I like to give great products in my giveaways too. So we'll see if that ends up somewhere. So there's that. And then the last thing I have here is something from JLo Beauty. Look at that pretty packaging. And this is, let's see what it says about it. This is a firm and flaunt targeted booty balm. Hey, who can't use that? A booty balm. It's real little, so it's, I don't know, maybe it will go on vacation with me when I go to Hawaii, maybe. So it's a deluxe mini, and it says, news flash, your booty needs its own skincare routine. 2, this balm is boosted with superstar ingredients like emergent, I'm not gonna say all the ingredients because they're complicated, which work together to help reduce the look of stretch marks and give an instant boost of hydration. So, add it to your booty, thighs, waist, and any area you want to firm. Then massage it into your skin in circular motions. Okay, so there's that. So I got a JLo product. I got a new Amana lip liner, which I'm super happy with, the color. I got the Grown Alchemist. This is a face primer. The Give Them La Beauty Clear Brow Gel, and the Lottie London Mauves palette. So I really like this. This right here is, this is a great bag, right? Okay, so I'm not done. So I had mentioned in my icon box that I had gotten quite a few add-ons. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got. I got mostly deluxe minis, and usually they run anywhere from $3 to $5 maybe, but I think most all of these were $3.50 that I'm going to show first. And the first one is from Winky Lux, and that's Glow Recipe. Let's see, Winky Lux right here. It's real tiny, but this is a Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer in light beige. Now, I don't think I've tried Winky Lux concealer, but I'm kind of a concealer freak, so I like to try different concealers. So this is gonna go in my conceal stash, and you know, just a little bit goes a long way. So even in one of these small containers, they can last quite a while. So I do like that. Okay, the next thing I got is from Ciate London, and it's the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint in Papaya. Here's what the box looks like. And I did get the Velvet, the Ciate Velvet blush that's similar to this, but I love the Velvet one. And I looked for it online and I couldn't find it. So I don't know if it was just a special they made for Ipsy, but I know this one is available in different places. So let's try. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Here's the, let's do a little line right here. Actually, it's a real pretty color. It's a little peachy for me, but it doesn't look like it in the picture though. So, I don't know. Feels good. I think I'd be happy with it, just like it was the velvet one. So this one's just a little bit more creamier. The velvet one kind of almost went from cream to powder. So anyway, so that's the second product. The third thing I got in add-ons is something I already have, but I couldn't resist getting a small one for travel. Actually, I have 3 sizes. No, I don't think it's the conditioner I have. I think it's a different one. But this is the Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner. And I also got the shampoo Aveda. So I have a shampoo and a conditioner. So this is a fun travel pair. Love Aveda. They have great products, so I'm happy with those. And like I said, I think they were just like $3.50. So the next thing I have here is by Floss. I believe it's a lip product, and it is Lip Advocate and Proof. Let me see if I can find out more about this. Okay, so it's not your normal, it's more like a crayon. It looks like a crayon. So, wow. I think that was coming out. You know, I just got these out of the mailbox and they're a little bit heat. Got the heat on them. So this one feels a little bit melted, but let's see. Let's just try this. It's, okay, so it goes on. Is that it right there? It goes on kind of lighter than what it looks like. So it's kind of a sheer, but it can be built up. So there's that at the bottom of the screen. Okay. So I do like it. I like the color and I like the feel of it. So it's just a creamy, kind of a creamy gloss. All right. Okay, so the next product is from Glow Recipe. And you know I like Glow Recipe. They make these look a little bit bigger in the pictures, but it's, again, a real pretty tiny for Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So we see this a lot in the bigger packages. I don't think I have this. I have some Glow Recipe products, but I don't think I have this one. So I'm not gonna open it. It's got a good seal on it. But, so this will be fun to try. Okay, and the next thing I have is also from Glow Recipe. It's just a plain, there you can see the, it's a plump hyaluronic cream. So that's what, has a little pleasant smell to it. Plump. So it does, that's what it smells like. It smells like plum. So that's fun. Yep. All right, and I have one more thing I got in the add-ons. Okay, so story behind this. I get, you've heard the term entree envy. Well, I get subscription box envy. And when I see people get things that I want, it makes me want it. Well, this month was the Icon box, but the boxycharm, which I don't get, I replaced my boxycharm on Icon month. But the boxycharm actually had some really good things in it that I wanted, and one of them was the eyeshadow palette. And this is Berries and Cream. It's by Violet Voss. And the Berries and Cream Dreams. And look at that. Super pretty. Whoops. There you go. And shall we take a look inside? Because you guys this is me. Berries and neutrals are my jam. So take that right there. Look at those colors. Amazing, right? So I'm not going to swatch it right now, but you can see the colors. And I happened to pick this up for only $12. I think the retail on it is like 30 something. So it was a good deal. So I'm happy with that. So I did get an eyeshadow palette, which in my my icon box, if you want to go back and watch that video, I chose an eyeshadow palette, but they didn't give me one in my 5 products. So I chose the Too Faced, what was it called? Berry. It's another berry. So anyway, so I'm happy, man. You guys, I've got some fun eyeshadow palettes. Look at all this hair stuff, lip stuff, Glow Recipe. I mean, all this, anyway, all these fun add-ons. So 2 Glow Recipe products. Now those are really good products. Then my Glam Bag, which is so fun. I'm just gonna throw everything back in here. I'm gonna throw all my new little goodies in here. We'll see how many fit. I don't think my hair things will fit, but hey, I got a fun bag of stuff. Maybe they will fit. Yeah, I think I got my hair stuff in there too. So, okay, let's go on vacation. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for being here. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, support me. I have a lot of videos coming up. I'm going to be doing quite a few this week and into the weekend. I am doing my giveaway next weekend, so I'm not sure if it'll be Friday or Saturday that it goes up, but I'm for sure doing it. I'm putting together a box of all kinds of goodies, not just makeup. I'm going to throw a few other fun things in there, so be looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to doing it. So once again, thank you, and we will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye bye, friends.